Oh, it's there. It's there. Did you see it?
Yeah, I did.
What is it?
I think it's a vole.
A vole. Did you hear that, Chippy? Another tiny rodent.
Hi, pumpkin. The moles get big. And they're blind. They have teeny, tiny little eyes.
The vole hole.
Yeah,
I threw some birdseed down and saw its little nose sticking out and had to go get Mom because I was like, oh my gosh.
Yeah, and the shrew has a really pointy little nose. Really pointy. And this little guy's got a rounded nose.
Yeah, it does. Hi.
Oh. They would make a tasty meal just like this little chipmunk one.
Hey.
Well, he's not a bird fly over.
Oh, you are photo bombing, video bombing. It's a little vole's hole.
That's why I'm in your sunshine. It makes it warm because I watched it. That cloud went in front of the, and it dropped like 0.3 degrees as I was standing there.
Oh my gosh.
I was only there for a couple of seconds. More likely to come out in the shade. I don't think they're day-loving creatures, but there's some sunshine. Did you get one picture of its little head?
Yeah, I got it on video twice.